Here's how to create a split screen in CapCut. If you want to display 2 or 3 videos on one screen using the CapCut editing app, just follow these steps. First, start by creating a new project and adding the first video you want to use for the split screen. Once the video is added, remove the CapCut watermark from the end of the video. Next, add the second video by tapping on the overlay button and selecting Add Overlay. This will open your photo gallery, where you can choose the second video you want to include in your split screen project. Once added, drag the second video to the beginning of the timeline, positioning it just beneath your first video. Zoom in a bit to make sure the second video fits the frame and matches the size of the first video. Now that both videos are on your timeline, it's time to create the split screen. Ensure your second video is selected. Then scroll through the tools until you find the mask option. Click on Mask, and you'll see a variety of mask options. You can choose the horizontal or split mask, or even the mirror option. One of the final steps is to rotate the mask and position it on the screen as needed. If you want one video to be larger than the other, you can adjust the mask accordingly. You can also use the 2 arrows to add a bit of feather to smooth the transition between the 2 videos. And that's how you can create a split screen using CapCut. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.